This is the Project Beat restoration. So I bought this glove box and panel, glove compartment, whatever you want to call it. There was a head unit in that box, and that's kind of what it looked like. And I have to replace the stereo with stock parts so that I can get this car onto collector insurance, which is way cheaper for the year. It's really straightforward. There's 2 screws in the back. I screwed the glove box in, and then there's this little knob that prevents the glove box from opening completely. And this is literally going to take me maybe 10 minutes. So let's do this. So I need either a socket or a Phillips head screwdriver, or into the, whatever it is, this crossbar. Okay, that's out. Next one. That's out. And this is that piece there, except for this one is not as cleaned up as that one, so I'm not going to use it. And then those screw in the back here like that. So this will go in like that. Find where the screw goes. There. There we go. This whole thing is really wobbly. That's funny. Okay, I've dry fit this panel. You open the glove box. This panel, 2 screws at the top, and then the 2 clips at the bottom, and that's how it fits in there. So 2 clips go into those slots there, and then the 2 screws go at the top. It'll add a lot more rigidity to this area, and this won't be flopping around so much like that. So when it's in, hopefully that floppiness is alleviated, but we'll see. It happened when they put this stupid panel in. Rather than finding screws that fit the thread in there, they drilled out the thread so that they can use this piece here. It's an Allen head with, it's just a stupid way of doing something, but whatever. If they didn't know, they didn't know. I hate Jimmy rig stuff. Like, I went and bought some screws that fit in here. They're not the exact OEM screws, but they fit, and I bought them at Canadian Tire for like 45 cents each. I used one of those and one of those when they were putting in the head unit. Whatever, that's life. Okay, now I'm using this so that I can go back here because I don't have an Allen with me, and I will be tightening this. Okay, find exactly how things are kind of lining up back there. And that's pretty tight. It's super easy to do. You don't always need the right tools to get something done. It's best to have the right tools, of course, but you don't always need the right tools. There we go. There we go. This is a lot more secure than it was. Still a little bit wobbly, but whatever, I can live with that. Man, these Japanese cars are hilarious. Like, those don't line up, all this kind of stuff, but you're never gonna see it because you don't look from the bottom, you look from the top. I'm kind of happy with it. Not super happy, but happy enough. Anyways,